this video, I'll show you how to use Git and GitHub step by step using simple bash commands. And we'll learn how to create a repository, how to push code, and how to use branches. So let's get started with creating a repository. To create a repository, first make sure you have a GitHub account. Then go to your repositories. Make sure you have a downloaded Git Bash terminal as well. So you would create a new repository by clicking on new and give a repository name. We'll give it as my repo, and you can give a description over here which will be shown on the readme file and add the readme file over here, but you can do it later also. And we'll click on create repository. We can see the link for the repository over here. We'll copy this link. We'll need it to run few commands, and we'll open bash. We'll open the Git Bash app. To clone, we will use git clone command, and we'll paste the repository link. Now we'll move into the so basically when we have cloned the repository, it means that the repo has been downloaded into our computer. Now let's move into the folder. We'll do cd now we are into the my repo folder. Now let's add a file into this. Let's add a readme file. To add a readme file, we'll use echo, and let's write this is a practice repo. So we have created a file called the readme file, readme.md. So let's see the status. For that we'll do git status. So this shows which files were changed or added. So right now we have no commits yet. So let's add this file. To add, we'll do git add and the name of the file we want to add. Now let's save this with a message. For that we'll use the git commit space -m, and in inverted commas we'll write the message. We'll write added readme.md. Okay, one file changed. So now we'll push it to GitHub. We'll use the git push command. Git push change in main. So this uploads the changes to GitHub. So now let's see if these changes are there on the GitHub repo. So we can see the changes have been added here by using the git push command. Now let's create a new branch and add feature. So for that we'll use the git this creates and now this has created a new branch, and now we have also moved into the new branch. Let's add a new file in the feature branch and push it to our GitHub. This will be a text file we are adding to our new branch. And now let's push it into our GitHub. It says use git push. It says to push the current branch and set the remote as upstream, use this. Okay, so we'll use this. Now let's see if the new branch has been added into the repository. So we can see there are two branches now, main and feature one. Now let's merge a feature branch into the main branch. To do that, we'll do git checkout main first and come to the main branch. Now we are in the main branch. Now we'll do git So we have merged our changes back into main, and we have also pushed them to GitHub. Now we can see the feature text file is shown on the main branch. Initially this was on the other branch, now it has been merged to the main branch. Now let's run the now if you have to see how many branches that are there in the repo, we'll do git branch -r. This shows remote branches on GitHub. Now let's check how to do revert or reset changes. So first we'll do git log. Git log shows us the commit history, all the commits which we have done before. Now here we can see there is the commit code. We'll copy this. And now let's check git revert. We'll write git space revert and then paste the numbers which we had just copied and we'll press enter. So this undoes a commit. So we have undone this commit. Now if you have to reset, if you have to reset to a past version, we'll use the reset command. So the changes to be committed, deleted, feature.txt. Now let's check the git reset. So this resets to our past version. We have to be very careful using a reset command because this deletes changes. So to pull latest changes, we do git pull origin main. So this gets the latest updates from GitHubs. Okay, so we have learned how to use Git and GitHub with the real commands. If this has helped you, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. See you guys soon in the next video. Thank you so much.